To hide the fingerprint scanner when the screen is off on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security setting section, tap biometrics. Tap fingerprints. Next, enter your current screen lock. Since this phone is using pattern, then grab the pattern. With the fingerprint always on option is on, to hide the fingerprint scanner when the screen is off, tap show icon when the screen is off, and then select never. To see the result, turn off the screen. As you can see, your phone will never show the fingerprint scanner when the screen is off. To unlock your phone, you just need to place your finger on the area where the fingerprint scanner is usually at. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.